Hello, guys. Welcome. This is Andy Lemkiza RSA. So, guys, I've been looking at Nasdaq today. I'll be looking at Nasdaq. So today, analysis that I've been making today is for the upcoming week from tomorrow. This is your boy Andy Lemkiza. Please don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel. There is more content coming. So guys, let's get to business, guys. Let's get to Nasdaq, guys. This is your boy Andy Lay. Okay, guys. Basically, if you can all see that Nasdaq it's been going up. It tried to go up last week, and then it's failed, and then it went down. Please, guys, bear in mind that Nasdaq is 70% fundamentals, and then it's 30% technical. Most of the time, indices, let me say indices are affected by the fundamentals, but whatever is happening in the state is gonna get affected. As you see that Nasdaq dropped. This drop was caused by Netflix and Twitter. That's why Nasdaq dropped like this. Let's look at Nasdaq for the upcoming week, how it's gonna go, guys. Okay, this is the way how we do it at day and night forex. This is how we analyze markets. We trade what you see on the chart. We trade based on our knowledge. So whatever we do in the chart, we trade based on our knowledge. When it comes to forex trading, guys, we all know that we make losses. There's not gonna be always wins. Bear that in mind. And then do not invest the money that you are not willing to lose. This is your boy Andile Kize. Okay, let me get to the chart. I'm gonna start from my daily chart, ne? I'm gonna start from my daily chart. I'm waiting. I think I'm having a problem on the network. I'm gonna start from my daily chart. Bear in mind that Nasdaq is 30% fundamental, technical, and then 70% fundamental. So, guys, bear that in mind. Put that in mind. Put that in your mind, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. We had some technical network problems, but I think now it's all sorted out. Okay, guys, let me get to the chart now. Let's get to the chart on our Nasdaq for the upcoming week, for tomorrow. Okay, first thing that we do, we look at the higher highs and the lower low on daily for the previous weeks, for a previous week. Okay, basically, let me to do the screenshot. As you can see, this was last week. So I'm gonna be looking for the highs of this area, and then this is the lower low, and then this is the higher high. What happened last week is that Nasdaq broke the resistance, and then this resistance needs to be tested, and then come down again, and then goes up. But let's go through our chart so that you can see the clear thing. Okay, guys. Let me go to my line chart. I usually use my line chart in order for me to get a good support and resistance. Okay, you can see I've already spotted my high and my lower low for last week. So now the body speed is made a breakout. Okay, this is the major zone. It's gonna be our major zone. On the daily chart. Please pay attention, guys, how we do it. Please pay attention on how we do it. Okay, let me go back to the chart. Let me go back to the candlesticks. And I'm gonna go to H4 now. Dropping down to H4. And then as you can see now, I've already spotted my zone. This is my resistance. Whenever Nasdaq breaks this here, I think it should be going up. Nasdaq would be going up. And then we have another area here of which Nasdaq made so many rejections. Then after it's pushed down, it was testing. It was making a retest of this area, this zone. Making a retest of this zone. making a retest. Okay, so let me not do the zone again here. Okay. Let me put my okay. Nasdaq. This is how we do it on day and night forex when it comes to I usually include weeks. This is also it's part of the zone, this one. I also include weeks for the smaller time frames. When I use the last one. Okay, when I use the last week. Okay, as you can see what happened in Nasdaq. Nasdaq tried to push up, and then what happened? We found it what? We found it a resistance here, of which was strong. And then what also happened, the fundamental push, they were negative, and then it pushed down Nasdaq, and then this is where it started trying to pull up in it and try to push up, and then after this failed, then it made a breakout. After this breakout, it came to the test several times, and then it pushed down again. So we are going down with the opening of today late. Nasdaq would be going down to go and find a strong support in order for it to pull back up. But what I can say is that it's very, very important again to monitor your trades. Very, very important to monitor for rejection and all those things. So look, watch the fundamentals. Don't forget to use the same PCF. Those who say trend lines don't work, guys, they are lying. Trend lines do work. Depend on how you use them. Depends on how you use them. Depends on how you use them. So I prefer to use our trading view, guys. So trading view is much clearer. Give a better thing. Give a better structure of the market. You see, give a better structure of the market. Give a better structure of the market. Okay. So as you can see now, all three that we are approaching the major. We are approaching the major support now. We are approaching the major support. We are approaching the major support. We are approaching the major support. Okay. Say Nasdaq is pushing down there. Say it's pushed down. Come in this area. In this area, it's gonna buy. It's gonna push up higher. You see that we have a trend line here. This trend line is also acts as a resistance. As you can see that we have a resistance here also. We also have a resistance here. If it's come here and then it's come with this kind of candles again, do this kind of rejection, then it's gonna come down again and test this zone before it's breakout. Once it's breakout, it's gonna push up. Breakout is gonna push up, and then the trade will come in the test, and then push up again. Once we break above our wick, gonna come again. Gonna find the minor like this. It's like not block. Find this minor, then it's gonna come then test down, then you continue up. Once you get trapped here again until it's break this level, gonna come again, do the same thing. This is how the trend move. This is how you're gonna see the uptrend. It's gonna make it higher, high, lower, low, high, high, lower, low, higher, high, low. Bear in mind, guys, please don't forget to watch news. News, they are also very, very important. Let me go to H4. Let me go to H1. I mean, as you can see on H1, you are allowed to shift your support, but I think this one is the same. One is the same thing. You see, everything corresponds. So we are waiting for it to come down. Waiting for it to drop. I usually enter my trades on the 5 minutes. This is what I do. Usually enter my trade on the 5 minutes. So I can still put another trend line again here. You can still put another trend line again here. As you can see, still put another trend line here. And still put another trend line. As you can see, we're still going down in that case. When the opening is going to push down, then find that support, and then after that we'll be pushing up. Thank you thank you for joining, guys.